AI tools are the tools of the future. Finally, anyone can be an artist without having any art skills. Although this may raise ethical and controversial questions, we must acknowledge that AI is here to stay. While humans can create art from nothing, AI can now generate art from an endless database, all thanks to Stable Diffusion. Join us in today's video as we demystify Stable Diffusion in AI. Watch until the end for clues on how this magic works. Stable Diffusion is an advanced deep learning model that can transform textual descriptions into intricate images. Stable Diffusion is an excellent alternative to other image-generating programs like Midjourney and DALL-E 2. It has a significant edge in dealing with complex, high-dimensional data. Due to its ability to generate diverse and lifelike outcomes, Stable Diffusion has gained increasing popularity in recent years. In contrast to conventional models that work within a high-dimensional image space, Stable Diffusion takes an initial step to compress the image into a more manageable latent space. This strategy simplifies the process and boosts the model's efficiency. What are the components of Stable Diffusion? Stable Diffusion operates as a latent diffusion model. Instead of directly handling the vast image space, it condenses the image into a much smaller latent space. This reduction in dimensionality makes the model swifter and more efficient in its operations. Compressing into the latent space is accomplished through a method known as the variational autoencoder, VAE. The VAE consists of two key components: an encoder, which condenses the image into the latent space, and a decoder, which reconstructs the idea from this compressed representation. How does Stable Diffusion work? The Stable Diffusion process begins with the text-to-image initialization. In the first step, Stable Diffusion initiates the process by creating a random tensor within the latent space. This tensor is shaped by the seed of the random number generator and initially represents the image in its latent form. Next up is the noise prediction. The noise predictor UNet takes the latent noisy image and the provided text prompt as inputs. It proceeds to predict the noise, still in the latent space. Following the noise prediction, the expected latent noise is subtracted from the initial latent image, yielding a new and refined image. In the final stage, the variational autoencoder (VAE) decoder comes into play. It translates the latent image back into pixel space, ultimately generating the final AI-generated image. The essence of learning about Stable Diffusion is for you to take advantage of it. There are three key ways that anyone can use to leverage Stable Diffusion and craft captivating AI art. Stable Diffusion in the cloud. One convenient approach to harnessing Stable Diffusion is by using cloud-based services. Various companies offer Stable Diffusion features through cloud platforms, allowing you to create personalized art. The process often involves uploading your selected image and choosing an art style that appeals to you. The platform then utilizes Stable Diffusion to generate your final artwork, which you can easily download or share within your online community. Opting for the cloud when working with Stable Diffusion offers several advantages. The cloud-based platforms are typically faster than running the process on your local device, ensuring quicker results. Using the cloud also gives you the upper hand regarding processing power. These platforms have the capacity for heavy-duty processing, guaranteeing the swift creation of high-quality images. Whether it's an individual or an organization, everyone loves to cut down costs. The good news is that you can achieve this with Stable Diffusion. Cloud usage is often more budget-friendly, as you only pay for the resources you utilize, helping to keep costs in check. Running Stable Diffusion on your device. If you prefer a hands-on approach, running Stable Diffusion on your computer can be a great option. Begin by installing the required Stable Diffusion software on your computer. Once the software is up and running, you're ready to produce your own AI art pieces using Stable Diffusion. This approach provides complete control, allowing custom adjustments according to your preferences. With your device, you can create art without an internet connection, making it perfect for offline use. Using Stable Diffusion online. Numerous online platforms are also available, providing access to the Stable Diffusion model. These services make it simple for you to tap into its capabilities. All you have to do is upload the image to the online platform. Then watch as Stable Diffusion algorithms work magic, transforming your idea into various art styles. Once your masterpiece is ready, you can conveniently download it or share it with the world, showcasing your creative AI-generated art to a broader audience. Many of these platforms are free or have minimal fees, ensuring they are accessible to many users. The media are designed with the user in mind, offering a user-friendly experience that doesn't require extensive technical knowledge. With online platforms, you can explore and experiment with a wide range of art styles, allowing you to discover new artistic possibilities and expand your creative horizons. Stable Diffusion holds considerable importance for several reasons, setting it apart from traditional image synthesis techniques. It excels in producing high-quality images with intricate details and lifelike textures, surpassing other methods in image quality. It offers precise image control. The iterative nature of Stable Diffusion empowers users to influence the synthesis process at different stages. It provides greater control over the final output, allowing for more precise customization. There is also resilience to data changes. Unlike other models, Diffusion remains stable even in the face of shifts in the data distribution. This robustness makes it more adaptable to changes in input data, ensuring consistent results. What are the potential applications of Stable Diffusion? The versatility and robustness of Stable Diffusion open doors to various applications, including art and design, advertising, and entertainment. Stable Diffusion empowers artists and designers to craft visually stunning and intricate images, pushing the boundaries of creative possibilities. By producing unique and high-quality photos, Stable Diffusion has the potential to transform how companies create visual content for marketing and advertising campaigns, making them more captivating and distinctive. Stable Diffusion can be harnessed to generate realistic textures and detailed images for video games, movies, and other forms of digital entertainment, enhancing the visual experience for audiences. Stable Diffusion has caused a significant uproar worldwide, with several people expressing concerns about the technology. What are some of the disadvantages of this model? The issue of copyright protection for AI-generated art is currently a complex and evolving area. Copyright offices worldwide are indeed grappling with the challenges of determining the ownership chain of AI-generated art. As this technology advances, it may lead to significant developments in copyright laws and regulations to address these emerging issues. It's a space that's likely to see further legal and regulatory products. There are also potential long-term legal risks associated with using AI-generated art. One of the critical concerns is the source of the training data. If the training data used for AI-generated art includes content that hasn't been legally vetted or cleared for use, it can lead to legal issues. It could result in large-scale lawsuits and disputes over ownership and intellectual property rights. The adoption of AI technology in the creative world has indeed led to a division among creatives. Some are eager to embrace the new tools and possibilities it offers, while others may be more hesitant or resistant to change. This difference in perspectives can potentially lead to internal issues as creative teams navigate how to incorporate AI into their workflows. Production of duplicate results and the lack of originality in AI-generated art. When multiple artists and creators use similar keywords or inputs with AI models, there's a risk of producing similar unoriginal results. This could lead to a certain degree of redundancy, and in some cases, challenges for artistic and cultural diversity. To address this, artists and creators should consider injecting their unique creativity into the process, combining AI assistance with their artistic vision. Additionally, AI models and algorithms can be fine-tuned to encourage more diverse and original outputs, helping to preserve the richness of art and culture. However, the main objection to AI art seems to be in the training aspect. Indeed, every artist trains themselves by studying other artists. Therefore, it would be correct to say that artists use the art they have seen before to create variations of it themselves. True originality is indeed a myth. Stable Diffusion is a powerful tool for image recognition. It streamlines the process, saving time and effort. As AI advances, this model is poised to become an even more vital tool in image recognition. Have you ever used stable diffusion before? Do you think it will displace artists from their jobs? Let us know what you think in the comments section below. Remember to subscribe to our channel if you found this content valuable. We'll see you in the next one.